Anyway, that's pretty much all the stuff I need. You know, a hammer. I'm gonna use a piece of wood. It's a nice heavy duty sledgehammer. And I'm using that and a piece of wood to press the concrete like I did there, like the concrete, like the Quikrete. It's a commercial grade blacktop repair. So it's all I have is a 50-pound bag. Like I say, it does not require anything else really. Just put in place, prepare the area, and bang it down. Is a lot more inexpensive than calling somebody to do it. Or charge you hundreds of dollars. That cost me. It's a temporary repair, but it lasted for years to my knowledge, as long as it's not a heavy traffic area. Like on a street is a whole different story, you know, but on a parking lot or something like that, I don't presume any problem of longevity. Okay, let's do it. As long as you press it down tight, like I say, a piece of wood on top is perfect. It will apply even pressure. Sometimes I know people who drove over with their cars to make it more flat, you know, but you will have some stuff on your tires without a doubt. Okay, let's get going. As you can see, the stuff is coming out pretty easily. It's been, like I say, it's very loose actually. So, and look like it's been done on top of cement or something. So, I think we will make it easier. So I'm just gonna, whatever is coming off, I take it out, and then I'm gonna patch. I don't want to go crazy. See, like those, I leave them in place. They're pretty solid. I won't touch them much. Like this one could really come up. I just prefer the small pieces. Like this is pretty solid, so I just won't go crazy. This one is pretty solid also, so I will leave those alone. This one for sure I will remove it. All these tiny little pieces like this. Whatever come up, I mean, I could do a really rip it all up, but it's not necessary. Just to make it look better instead of all these, and make it more even. So like I see, this one is pretty solid, so I'm really undecided to rip it up or not. No, because then it's like a chain reaction. No. Okay, so let's get going here. As you can see, I remove as much of the loose dirt underneath. See, like there, as much as I could with just a broom. I clean up to reveal the rocks under, and doing that I can see what caused the damage. Is that expected was roots from that tree who kind of grew. You can see there, you can see it there, you can see it there especially. Now the sidewalk luckily is thick enough and will withstand the damage for a while. Eventually though, even sidewalk like that, they can be pushed up. So I'm probably gonna have to cut their root or not. I'm on the side. Probably will be the best approach. The plant will grow roots in another direction or grow them back. Anyway, yeah, those are my problems. So I'm gonna clean all that. There was all the loose stuff from this area. Gonna pick it up and then I can put my concrete blacktop repair. I cleaned the whole area pretty well. As you can see, I remove as much of the loose material. I don't want to go crazy. Could go deeper if I want to do more of a probably say more sturdy repair, but it's fine for now. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. It's not really a traffic area. It's just to make sure it doesn't look bad. And so I'm gonna go ahead and put my Quikrete black top repair, and let's see what happens. So I spread the old bag, you know, the 50-pound the pavement repair, and now I'm gonna even it out, and then of course I need to bang the heck out of it with my sledgehammer and a piece of wood to apply even pressure, and there should be it. I might need a little more. That's okay for today though. It's all I have. I just bought a bag. Using a piece of wood, now I'm gonna start hammering it like that. And what I did at first, I move you see where the crack kind of started. So you see like that. Now I'm putting the wood on top. I'm gonna bang the heck out of it until they give me more of a solid surface, expand in place and make it more solid. That's the final product pretty much. I'm gonna need to wait until dried up, and then I put in, since I need to recoat the whole area with you know, the black coating. I don't know if I'm gonna use a vinyl or the one with bitumen base. Anyway, I will recoat the later, so I'm just gonna wait for this to dry up and then it can be coated. But I did hammer. I didn't have the right wood though. I couldn't find my good piece of wood. Normally a solid piece of wood or a laminated one is better, like plywood, pretty thick too, not a thin one, so you can spread the force evenly. So the one worked okay, but kind of left some residue. Anyway, I'm done with this pretty much. That's it. Took like a couple hours, but start to finish. And that's it. Thank you for watching. This is Ingenious Giacomo. This is how to a quick way to fix a hole into your driveway and then eventually coat it. I guess we're gonna do a final picture once it's all coated. You can see the one there that's I still need to be coated. Just kind of touch it up so you don't see the white on the rocks, but eventually I will do. So then that's it. This finish is much better than it was anyway. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and thumbs up if you can.